In my previous video, we have studied how the graph of a linear equation, standard form of a linear equation in two variables will be. Remaining concepts of graphical representation, let us continue in this video. Suppose they gave a problem as y is equal to 2x and asked to plot the graph. Okay, this is of the form y is equal to k into x. Okay, k is y into k, that is where k is constant. It can be any number. Okay, if the equation is of the form y is equal to 2 into x, that is k into x, then if they ask to find a plot a graph, let us study how the graph will be. Okay, to plot the graph, we have to calculate at each point of x the value of x, is it not? So x is equal to, calculate at minus 2, then it this becomes y equal to 2 of minus 2 equal to minus 4. At x is equal to minus 1, this becomes y equal to 2 into minus 1 equal to minus 2. X is equal to 0, we will get y equal to 2 of 0 is equal to 0. At x is equal to 1, you will get y equal to 2 into 1 equal to 2. At x is equal to 2, you will get y equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Okay, so we got the values of x at, we have calculated only at 4 points. If you calculate more points, you will get more values of x and y, because it is a linear equation in two variables, is it not? So it will definitely have a infinitely many solutions. To plot the graph, we have taken only just 4 points to calculate the to plot the graph. Now let us write down these in a table. X-axis, y-axis. These are nothing but the coordinates of x and y, is it not? The solutions are nothing but the coordinates of x and y. So write down at x is equal to minus 2, we got minus 4. At x is equal to minus 1, we got minus 2. At x is equal to 0, we got 0. At x is equal to 2, 1, you got 2. At x is equal to 2, we got x is equal to 4. Now let us plot the graph. If you plot the graph, if you check here, the coordinate is minus 2, minus 4. I have already drawn the graph. I will just explain you how I draw this graph. Okay, here x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 4. So here minus 2, x is minus 2 and here it is minus 4. So both will join at this point. So I kept a point here. Next minus 1, minus 2. So here the point is, and next point is 0, 0. So it is here. Next is 1, 2. So here it will be, and the next point is x is 2 and y is 4. So the point is here. So when you join these points, it will be a straight line passing through origin. That is here, passing through the origin. Okay. So the equation of this line will be y equal to 2x. So any equation of the form y is equal to, y is equal to m into x. Okay, or m into x or k into x, where m is constant, is a straight line passing through origin. Straight line passing through origin. So when you plot a graph of this form, linear equation in two variables, it will be a straight line passing through origin, means it can be either like this, it can be either like this, or it may pass in this direction, or it may pass in this direction. So in any direction it will just touch the origin and pass. So any equation of the form y is equal to mx in mx is a straight line passing through origin. Okay. Now let us study on seeing the graph how to write the equations for few graphs. Okay. Now this is a Cartesian plane, is it not? So in this Cartesian plane, what will be the equation of x? Let us study what will be the equation of x axis, that is this line, and what will be the equation of this line, that is y axis. Let us study now. If you observe at this point, the coordinates will be 1 and y will be 0, is it not? Here it will be 2, 0, is it not? Because here it is 0, is it not? Y is 0 and x will be 2. Here it will be 3, 0. Here it will be 4, 0. Okay. Even here also the coordinates of at this point will be -1, 0. Here it will be -2, 0. Here it will be -3, 0. Is it not? If you observe each and every point on the x-axis, the coordinate of y is 0. That is, the value of y is 0. So the equation of this line is nothing but y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. The point will be 0, 1. Is it not? Here it will be 2, 0. Here it will be 0, 2. Here it will be 0, 3. Here it will be 0, 4. Okay. Now here it will be -0, -1. Here it will be 0, -2. Here it is nothing but the coordinate of y is -3 and x is 0. Is it not? So here the coordinates of this point will be 0, -4. So in this y-axis, if you observe, in each and every point the value of x is common, that is 0. Okay. The value of y is changing. That is, the solution of x is 0 and the solution of y is changing. Is it not? So the equation of this y-axis is nothing but 0 is nothing but the value of x. So you have to write x is equal to 0. On seeing the graph, it is clear that in each and every case, each and every point, the value of x is common, that is, solution of x is 0. So x is equal to 0. Only the solution of y is changing. So the equation of this y-axis will be x is equal to 0 and the equation of x-axis will be y equal to 0. So finally, equation of x-axis will be is nothing but y equal to 0, equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0 because the value of x will be 0 on y. Is it not? So x is equal to 0. On x-axis, value of y will be 0. So y equal to 0 are the equations of this x and y axis. This is how you have to write the equation on seeing the graph. Okay. Now let us see another example. Suppose this is the graph. Okay. Now observe at each point. Here it will be 3. The coordinate of x, the point of coordinate of x will be 3 and y will be -1. Is it not? So this will be 3 minus 2. This will be 3 minus 3. This will be 3 minus 4. Okay, here it will be 3 1, here 3 2, here 3 3, here the coordinates of the x and y axis will be the coordinates of this line will be at this point will be 3 4. So at each and every point, if we observe, the value of x is constant, that is 3. Only the value of y is changing. So the equation of this line will be x is equal to 3. And this line is parallel to y axis, is it not? This is x axis and this is y, is it not? So this line is parallel to y axis. Okay, so any line parallel to y axis will be equation of any line, equation of a line parallel to y axis. This is parallel to y axis, is it not? So any equation parallel to y axis will be of the form x is equal to some constant a. Understood? Here in this example it is 3. X is equal to 3 because the line is passing through the x axis at point 3. Is it not? And at each and every point the value of x is common. Only the value of y is changing. So the equation of this line will be x is equal to 3. So equation of a line parallel to y axis will be x is equal to a. Understood? Parallel to, here it is parallel to y axis. Any line which is parallel to y axis will be of the form x is equal to a. The equation of this line will be of the form x is equal to a. Okay. Now let us study in case of a line parallel to x axis. If you observe in this graph, suppose the graph is given like this. If we observe in this graph, the point here it will be the 1 minus 2. Here it will be x is 2 and y is minus 2. If you observe this point, x is 3, y is minus 2. If you observe this point, this is 4 minus 2. If you observe this point, this is minus 1 minus 2. If you observe this point, this is minus 2, x is minus 2, is it not? Y is minus 2. If you take this point, x is minus 3, y is minus 2. So this line is parallel to x axis, is it not? And if you observe in each and every point in this line, the value of y is constant. Only the value of x is changing. Here it is 1, 2, 3. Here it is the value of x is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. But the value of y is constant. That is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. In each and every coordinate of this line, every point at each and every point on this line, the y coordinate is constant. So the equation of this line will be y equal to minus 2 because minus 2 is constant, is it not? Which value is constant? Which coordinate is constant? Minus 2, y coordinate is constant. So y is equal to minus 2 is the equation of this line. Okay. So any equation which is parallel to y x axis will be of the form equation of a line parallel to y axis, parallel to x axis, parallel to x axis will be of the form, here y, right, y is equal to a. So any line which is parallel to x axis will be y is equal to a. For example, if it is in this case, if it is parallel here it is parallel in this direction, it can be parallel, the line can be also like this. So in any direction, when a line is parallel to x axis, the equation of the line will be y is equal to a, because in each and every point the value of y is constant. So simply write y equal to minus 2. If they ask for general equation of a line parallel to x-axis, will be y is equal to a. So finally we learned that any linear equation in a standard form ax plus by plus c will be a straight line passing through x and y axis, and any linear equation in two variables of the form y is equal to k into x will be a straight line passing through the origin, and any line which is parallel to y axis will be x is equal to a, parallel to x axis will be y is equal to a, and also we learned that the equation of x axis will be y equal to 0, equation of y axis will be x is equal to 0. Hope you have understood the concepts of graphical representation in linear equations of in two variables in this video.